start again. Great. So let's see. Yeah. What happened with the projector? Yeah, like leave it. So you see here that like this is the, oh no, see nothing. Yeah. That was great. I'm curious if I can do it properly, right? Pardon? I have 2 neurons and they're like... What happened to the... Someone stepped on the... Okay. Pardon? I think it's just has to start up again. Dum da dum da dum. Yeah. Here we go. Nice. Okay. So here we see this is the JSON. When I call this, every time I recall it, you see that the number is changing. You see that? So when we, this is now my my JS file. This is my HTML file. I have a button, fetch data, div root, and I'm calling this script here. And now I basically just want to start fetching. And then I do like this. And then we have these response. And we do like this. And then we do response.json. And then we have to do these. I've seen that today, that someone forgot these two. Right? So we always need these. And then we get the data. We put it out in like something like this. And then we can console log data. Pardon? Yes. But this is what I want to start with now. So then I have my site here. I do like this, and boom, it's here. So now I'll put this into a function. So now when I call it, oops, nothing happens, right? Wait. Fetch data. Yes. No, nothing happens. So now let's try to do it with this button call. How do I do this button? So const button get document like get. Yes, I think it was fetch data, right?
Yeah, fetch data. Dot add
Then dot add event listener. Everyone following?
Yeah.
Click and then fetch data. Dun 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 dun. Like this?
Yeah.
And yeah, now you can't see it, but I think that's fine. So now it works. Now I want to render the data.
Yeah.
So I do a function. Render data. What I do now? So like I do it like const root. Yeah, that's true. Get element again. I had that root element, right?
Yeah.
So what's next? Oh, okay. So we do like this. Like this? Difficult to be on another keyboard. And then we want a string literal in here. So, but we don't have that yet. So we do data, and then we see down here the message, and that we just say like const image. And now, how would we append it? So then we had to do this differently, right? We can't append this one. This is not the HTML DOM element, right? We couldn't use append child now. No. This is a string. This is a string. This is not a DOM element. Shall we do that? How do we do that? Create element. Okay.
How do you set the source?
Yeah.
You can use ing to set attribute.
Set attributes. Comme ça.
ID. You can quote ID, comma, ID name.
ID?
It's probably only one image to the can be directly used.
So here I'll just look how it's done. Create element, and now okay, that's how it is. And it was like set attribute.
Yeah.
So it's key in value, like this. But this is usually what you can do and should do, right? Just look it up, like src, and then I can do data.message. And then I have to root.append child. And then does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oof. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Another one. And you see append now always adds him. So how do we clear it? Let's just do like this. Okay?
In your HTML.
Like this?
Yeah.
Because later you need to do it every 2 seconds and set it automatically.
No, I just did that to show you the difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
But just when we use the previous element, it's just getting appended, right? And it
Pardon?
the child. So in that case, when we click the button, if it is already there, then we have to say we have to click the.
Yes, yes, you have to somehow clear what's inside, yeah.
Or you can use the ID.
Yeah. Okay? And now you want to do that every, what was that call for that timeout? Interval like this? And then like this? This will work? At the end?
So loading automatically Just that plywood also.
Set time out does a good time.
That's why I asked if they would use it. Because I used that.
Oh, beautiful dog.
And he told me that it's- We don't even know what we don't know. That was my choice today.
The third one is we have to get the list of all breeds.
Thanks for that.
Yeah, but I think it's a good time to stop.